fish often. Brand new pole, just copped it. Got options, could catch that worm like Robin. I'm watching, it a hitting on top, I'm popping. Hit the pads around and I'm frogging. Bring home the bacon, real hogs in. Dog walking, no leash law. Fish blow up on my bait, then I'm jacking jaws. Trigger these stripes, Ben Frank with a kite. Line go tight, then I'm yanking on sight. I'm ready for the fight like Iron Mike. Catch a 5-pound bass on the ultralight. This is what I like Bruno Mars. Fish rap king, now catch these angler bars. Beating down the bank with a jig and a crank. Looking for a tank, you can call me Hank. Cherry high, bury these hooks in the mouth with a classic style. Hot, do it no doubt. Time